Hey guys, here with this video. This is the 7-pin tubular lock pick. I got it off uspy.com. It was $75, but it is a great tool. You can kind of see it here. So what you do is it picks locks that look like this, the tubular lock. And it works every time. So what you do is you loosen this up right here, this little thing right here, and then you get this little ring right here, and you just pull it up, and all the pins will come out, and it'll look like that. And then what you do is you just push it on a hard surface like that, and so you just push them on in, and then they're flush with the you can see it there, with the rim right here. So then you just tighten it up just a little bit. You don't need it really tight. So then you get your lock right here, and you put it in, and you just kind of wiggle it around a little bit. And if it doesn't work right away, it's not that you're not doing it right. It's just kind of takes time for all the pins to get adjusted and everything like that. Just kind of wiggle it around, and then if the pins don't really look like they're going in, you just loosen it up just a little bit, and then just keep doing this. You actually start to feel it, all the pins setting in. Look at it again if the pins are moving. Just loosen it up a little bit, and just keep turning it left and right. And you know, if it doesn't seem to be working, you can always just start it over. But just tighten it up just a little bit, and then there it goes. So, and it really it's easy to do. You just gotta kind of practice how to do it and everything like that. So, well, it went. So now I'll just do it again. See if I can do it maybe faster than last time. Okay. So that. And again, if it's your first time doing it, then you might not get it on the first try, which is fine. Just put it in there and start to wiggle it around. Again, to find these picks, they're not that cheap. The cheapest one I found was like $69, which is still expensive. I mean, but they're a great tool. There it goes. And then being stubborn here, I don't know why, but we got it. It's a great tool. I use it all the time. Let's see. So there it is. Successful lock pick. And then what you want to do is tighten this up. And then what you have is a working key for your lock. You can see in there the pins. And these right here, you can see that they go in. And there you go. So then you can just code this with, hold on a sec. Glad I was so prepared for this video. So you just code it with this key right here. It has the little numbers on there, so you can code it. And what I mean by that is you just put it up to here, and you can see the lengths, and then just go to a hardware store and get a key cut. So again, just one more time here. Just put it in, and there you go. Alright, thanks for watching.